Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we are back with how to grow bottle gourd in your backyard. The botanical name of bottle gourd is Lagenaria cicenaria. Bottle gourd also is known as calabash gourd, squash, white flower gourd, duhi, loki, and so on. Bottle gourd contains about 96% of water. They are rich in dietary fibers and are also good source of vitamin B and contain iron as well. Bottle gourd is one of the lightest vegetable and it is very easy to digest. The main goal of vegetable production in the home garden is to produce vegetables to support daily intake for the farmer and family members throughout the year. Bottle gourd is one of the healthiest veggies. It has lots of health benefits, it's easy to grow and tolerant to high temperatures, making it great vegetable for the Indian summers. The bottle gourd is typically grown for non-food use. Then when they are mature, the fruits are decorative, hard-wearing, and waterproof. The growing gourd may be constructed with bands to form any desired shape. Designs scratched into the surface when the rind is still soft will scar and remain in the mature fruit. Dried and waxed the bottle gourd is waterproof and valuable for musical instruments, water jugs, kitchen equipments, planters, masks, or floats or fishing nets. Now, let's get into the varieties of bottle gourd. Some of the famous variety of bottle gourd is Punjab Bahar, Punjab Long, Punjab Komal, Punjab Barkat. Punjab Barkat is the newly released that is in 2014. They have long fruits, light green color and its cylindrical shape. The variety is moderately resistant to mosaic disease. So, when to plant bottle gourd? Bottle gourd is a summer growing vegetable. Raise the seedlings in a 4-inch pot indoors or a hot host free place that is temperature at least 20 degrees Celsius in ground by sowing 2 seeds half-inch deep. Keep the pot moist. How to plant your bottle gourd seedlings. Fill your pot with given sowing medium and level the surface. Wet the soil with water to provide the right environment for seeds to germinate. Plant seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep in a group of 3 seeds, then cover them with growing medium. Keep the soil moist by spraying water twice daily. Growing bottle gourd in pot or ground. Bottle gourd can be grown in ground or pot in your garden. If you plant loki in a pot, select a wide and deep pot, at least 50 cm diameter. Also, you can plant a bottle gourd type that grows very slowly or remains short. You can grow bottle gourd in pot if you have only a small place. Spread the vine on trellis of roof. Spread the plant on the fencing if you want to grow bottle gourd on your terrace. Germination of bottle gourd seeds. The bottle gourd seeds are slow in germination and may take from 7 to 25 days to germinate depending on the soil temperature. To speed up the germination, you can soak the seeds in water overnight. Use only the seeds that go to the bottom of the soaking bowl. When the seeds germinate and the plant grow to 2 to 3 leaves, transplant them to the final place. Discard the weaker plants. The next is growing bottle gourd from seeds. It is easy to grow bottle gourd by seed sowing method throughout the year. Summer and monsoons are the best time to plant seeds. Buy bottle gourd seeds online or you can purchase it from your farmer's market. Seeds are sown directly in small pits or on raised beds which germinate in 7 to 8 days. Bottle gourd seedlings are very fast growing and quickly from the habit of climber. Strong trellis support should be built for the climber to grow. Many gardeners let the plant trail on the ground or allow it to climb on the poles or roof of the house. Pinch off growing points of the young plant to induce branching. The side shoots will develop separate male and female flowers in the second month. After pollination, the female flowers have little gourds beneath them. If male flowers are plentiful, some of them can be removed. Let's see bottle gourd pollination. Your bottle gourd plant may have flowers but no fruits sometimes. None of the female flowers produce fruits and they are dropping without growing into a bottle gourd. This is causing due to the failure of pollination as there is no bee activity in the garden area when you need to pollinate the bottle gourd by hand. Soil requirement for growing bottle gourd in backyard. Bottle gourd prefers sandy loam soil that is rich in organic matter with good drainage. The optimum soil pH of bottle gourd is 6.0 to 6.7, but plants tolerate alkaline soils up to pH 8.0. Suitable climate for growing bottle gourd is it requires minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius during early growth, but the optimal temperatures of bottle gourd are the range of 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. The crop can tolerate low temperatures, but extreme cool temperatures will slow down growth and frost will kill the plant. The plants are adapted to a wide variety of rainfall conditions. The next is land preparation for growing bottle gourd in the backyard. The land or main field should be prepared throughout by 6 to 7 plowings and at the pH range of soil should be 6.5 to 7.5 in bottle gourd cultivation. This vegetable require good drainage. Adding organic matter will make the soil rich so that better yield with quality vegetable can be expected. Water requirement for growing bottle gourd. Check the soil once or twice daily for moisture loss. If it feels dry, it's time to water. A healthy bottle gourd plant uniformly needs water so that the soil does not dry up. Proper watering at the proper time at the growing stage will encourage plant flowers and fruit. If not watered well, the plant will have weak produce. Fertilizer for growing bottle gourd in backyard are for plants to grow well, it's important to provide the right nutrients. The fertilizer for bottle gourd should be high in phosphorus and potassium than nitrogen. Bottle gourd needs nitrogen to grow healthy, but excess nitrogen will encourage more leaves instead of fruit. An NPK fertilizer with ratio of 6 is to 10 is to 10 or 4 is to 8 is to 5 can be used. Add 20 gram mix in soil for each plant before planting. Now, let's get into bottle gourd pests and diseases. Pests and diseases of bottle gourd are relatively few. However, to prevent insects from laying eggs in the rind, mosquito netting may be draped over the vines. Since the flowers need insects for pollination, do not cover the plants until after the blossoms have dropped off. Major pests and diseases of bottle gourd are listed below with organic control. Pests of bottle gourd and organic control are shoot and fruit borer. Remove the affected terminal shoots showing boreholes. Remove the affected fruits and destroy. You can spray neem oil. The next is spider mites and aphids. You can spray homemade garlic and insecticidal soap solution. The next is beetles and caterpillars. Hand pick off the plants, dislodge with jet near spray. The next is fruit fly. Set up a pheromone trap at 12 numbers per hectare. Remove the affected fruits and destroy. Diseases of bottle gourd are damping off and nematode, leaf spot, downy mildew, powdery mildew, etc. How and when we should harvest bottle gourd? The harvesting time and when to harvest bottle gourd is very important. The bottle gourd fruits harvesting should be done at the tender green stage, otherwise hard seeds and coarse dry skin is not palatable for cooking and does not fetch the good price in the market. Depending upon variety and growing season, it takes 60 to 80 days after sowing for first harvesting. Upon attending, the marketable size fruits should be removed carefully from the vine with the help of knife. It is desirable to pick the fruits within 3 days of shedding of small hairs present on the skin. The peak season picking should be done at an interval of 3 to 4 days. The harvesting should be done during morning and evening hours. Now, let's see how to store bottle gourd. Storing of bottle gourd should be in a cool and dry place for several weeks or until they are lightweight with a hard rind. Leave space between the gourds so air can circulate all sides. You can store your bottle gourd in shades or in cool area. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.